Did you know that each year we're seeing a decline in pollinator insects, which are so important to our environment? I'm talking insects like honeybees and butterflies. Many of them are threatened, and this has to stop. Hi, I'm Alan Smith, and I'm happy to announce that we're working on a program where we're creating pollinator gardens with First Community Bank at 20 locations across the state of Arkansas. The program is called Bloom With Us, and by planting flowers that provide a proper and inviting habitat for our pollinating friends, we hope this can begin to rebuild their populations. These tiny little ecosystems will in turn beautify the community while raising awareness of the benefits of pollinators and hopefully encourage others to do the same. Hey, if you'd like to know more about the Bloom With Us program, check out firstcommunity.net. And let's all work together to make a better environment for our little pollinator friends.